A1 English listening. My favorite sports. Audio 1. Emmanuel's favorite sports.
I'm Emmanuel. My favorite sport is basketball because I think it's exciting and fun. I usually play basketball on a basketball court at my local gym. To play basketball, all you need is basketball shoes and a basketball.
I'm also a big fan of soccer. My dad is from Brazil, and we really like watching soccer together on TV. Sometimes, we even go to the stadium to watch games. To play soccer, all you need are soccer cleats and a soccer ball.
Audio 2. Tiffany's favorite sports.
Hi, my name is Tiffany. My favorite sports are tennis and golf. I like tennis because it is exciting. I usually play tennis on a tennis court at my local sports club. To play tennis, all you need is a tennis racket and a tennis ball.
I also enjoy playing golf. I often play golf on a golf course.
All you need to play golf is a golf club and golf balls.
Now it's your turn. Number 1. What sport do you like playing? Number 2. Where do you play it? Number 3. What equipment do you need?